Hello traders, Douglas here, bringing you another algorithmic trading video. All right, so we've been doing all right, kind of in our learning phase here. Had probably a bit of beginner's luck because, man, the last 2 days has been a struggle. So this recording is from yesterday, and I fight myself all day. I do end up with a profit, but man, today it was all downhill. Lost 500 bucks. So that was a bit of a setback, but you're not going to win every day. So that's just something you got to get used to. And so let's see if we can't learn something from my mistakes, because I could not bring myself to actually produce that recording from today. It's simply too embarrassing. So let's look at the second most embarrassing trading, which was in this video from the day before. So right now, on the bottom right chart on the two algo bars, you've got a green dot, you've got a delta spike at the bottom. Above that, you've got the 5 algo bars, you've got a green dot there. In the middle chart, you've got a moon, which is a nice volume spike level, and you've got a green dot there as well. So lots of things working in your favor. MACV is red, that's in the middle chart there, that's that red box at the bottom. And then all the way to the left, bottom left, you do have what looks like I believe that's probably a shark harmonic pattern. So there's a couple things potentially working against you, but I go long. So let's see how this long worked out for us. And I sped the videos up quite a bit to get through this. So red dot pushes it down, green dot's fighting it back up. Get a cross in there. Looks like that's good news, because you've got a green headshot now. Another dot. Now I'm really excited. I'm figuring. And another cross. Okay, so lots going on here. There was another green dot up there at top on the 5s, and it just went down. Did not work out for me. And then I do something that's just an old bad habit, which is where I kind of whipsaw myself. I get in long and then get in short, get in long, get in short. And I just need to sit out and wait for a new pattern to develop. So this is a short taken right after I exited that long. And now we've got a headshot short. And these videos are quite sped up, so action is not actually moving this fast. I just don't want you to get bored. I think that might have been probably the problem, is that action was a lot slower on this day, so I don't think I was being patient enough waiting for what I needed to wait for. But I really don't know what to do here, because it's not moving the way I want it to move. And there's another red dot. So, I mean, we had those like triple green dots before, and then the double crosses I thought were good news, but I think they kind of wrecked me. And then we get this headshot red and then another red. So I'm like, okay, this will make up for it. But it just doesn't want to go anywhere. Get a cross in there. You get a nice red delta coming in there at the bottom. And then you do get a little harmonic pattern right there. Shark came in. I take off some heat. Bottom left on the chart over there, all the way to the left, you can see a moon came in, so there's a big volume area there. Price is working in my favor now, so my old whipsaw habits worked out on this particular event. Sitting at the back of that shark now. Still working our way down. Then we get this big buy dot coming in. So that's where I exited on that one. Skipping forward. So we're at $200 at the moment. Looking for our next trade. Top right, there was a harmonic pattern that price had come into on the 5s. Bottom right also had that harmonic pattern with a cross. MACV is still red, so I guess that was a potential scalp there with the cross and that harmonic. Looks like I am short biased apparently, so I take what is not a trade really. That's kind of a red dot. Well, that is a trade actually. That's a J-hook short. I get out of that. And then, okay, so bad habits coming up again. Get out of my short, and then I go long, and then I get out of my long. I mean, this is embarrassing, is what this stuff is right here. This is just a trader. I don't even have a reason to be on tilt. Sometimes you just lost your head. Red dot comes in, all on its lonesome. So I take that short. I'm like, all right, I'm going to get lucky here. And sure enough, I get a little greedy, I think, if I remember correctly. All right, take off some heat there since we're in that harmonic. Price comes back, breaks even. So we're at $35 at this point in time. We gave up some money for sure. We were at 200. Oh, MACV is still red. We're down in a harmonic down there. Really no reason to get in here. There was no dot there. There was no cross there. I'm not pretending like I'm trading algo box on this day. I'm just clicking buttons. But it's a good lesson to learn, to recognize when your mind is off, when you're just not in the game, that you should probably just quit while you're ahead. And that's really what happened to me today when I lost the 500. It was more a continuation of kind of these bad habits. I had a couple of trades that I think were good setups that just didn't work out, and then it was just like trying to make up for those losses, I guess, without waiting for any reason to make up for them. So that harmonic worked out. I got out when that red dot came in, and then again I'm taking a red dot on its own. So no excuse to take that. I don't even remember if this one worked out for me or not. Let's see what happens here. Looks like I survived my my bad habits here. But I mean, I sped this up a great deal. I had to sit through a lot of waiting to see if my bad decisions were going to work out. And then I end the day at just 2:30 after all of that. Like, it was very stressful today, or the day before, because of just how I was trading. And like I said, that carried over again today. And then I was up like 200 and I was about to quit because of the same situation. And then I was like, I'm going to keep pushing it. And then ended up 500 down. So we'll be back again. We'll get our mind right, and we'll start actually trading the system, hopefully. Otherwise, I deserve what I get. Peace out, boys.